Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making a remedy to get rid of skin tags. Now I don't know about you, but I tend to have a few skin tags on my skin. I really do not like to see them, especially those little ones that are hanging off. Very annoying. So what I did, I create this remedy that I use to get rid of my skin tags. In case you are not aware of it, most people will have at least one skin tag in their lifetime. So it goes right across the board. Anyone can get skin tags. So if you're interested in the remedy that I make and use on my skin to get rid of my skin tags, don't go away, continue watching the video for the recipe. Now before we get into the recipe, let's educate ourselves a little bit more about skin tags. Now, a skin tag is a small, soft, flesh-colored, benign skin growth, often on a stalk. Skin tags are probably the single most common bump on adult skin. Skin tags are harmless, but can be an annoying skin problem. Skin tags tend to occur on the eyelid, the neck, the armpit, and a groin fold. So now that we know a little bit more about skin tags, let's move on to the recipe. To make our skin tag remover, I'm going to be using some cornstarch. If you do not have cornstarch, you can use corn flour. You can even use regular flour to replace the cornstarch. The reason for the cornstarch is that it has skin tightening properties, and when mixed with the other ingredient, it's going to allow the ingredient to stay on the skin tag much longer without falling off. So I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch. Now let's move on to our next ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. And today I'm using the store-bought. However, if you have fresh aloe vera, it's really good in this recipe. So I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel. If you're using fresh aloe vera, go ahead and use 2 teaspoons. Now, aloe vera contains vitamins and minerals which will help to hydrate the skin. Now, our next and main ingredient is apple cider vinegar. And apple cider vinegar is known to get rid of skin tag, whether it is flat tags, hanging tags, you name it. And it's also safe to use anywhere on the body where you have the skin tags. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. I'm going to pour this in. And next we're reaching for some moisturizing ingredient, and this is in the form of coconut oil. Coconut oil is hydrating to the skin, and when mixed with the apple cider vinegar, it's going to create a powerful remedy for getting rid of skin tags, and it's also going to help the remedy to be more spreadable. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. I'm pouring this in with the other ingredient, and now I'm going to mix, and I'm going to mix well, mixing to get out any lumps that might be there from the cornstarch. So we're mixing this into a thick paste, and take a look at this. This is how you want it to look, really thick. So what you're going to do with this, you are going to take a little and you are going to apply it to wherever you have your skin tag. If you have hanging tag, you want to take a set amount and you're going to just cover the hanging tag, the entire tag, all the way down to the root, and you're going to leave it on preferably overnight. This is going to somehow dry on the skin tag. Not to worry, that's the way this remedy works. And take a look, guys, look at this. See, so you're actually making a cast for the skin tags. So this is what you're going to place over the tag. So apply these over your skin tag. If you're doing a large patch, then you're going to just rub this out and make it a little bit softer so it's spreadable. So use this at night, preferably, and upon arising in the morning, you're going to rinse this off. Give this a chance to work, guys. Give it a week or two to notice a significant difference to your skin tags. Store the leftover in your refrigerator. When you're ready to use, if it's a little too hard, go ahead and add a little bit more of the apple cider vinegar. There you have it, guys, a homemade skin tag remedy that actually works. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Your comments are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, well, you need to subscribe. To subscribe, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side, there's a little bell. If you click on that and turn on post notification on your phone, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Guys, we also have merchandise, guys. Merchandise are normally at the side or below the video. Support our channel by, purchasing our merchandise. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.